Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Simply Made Local. Today we are making DIY snow-covered mason jars using our secret for artificial snow that you already probably have in a cupboard at home. Are you ready to know what our secret is? Yep, it's salt. For this project, you're going to need a couple supplies. All of these supplies I already had in my home, so this project cost me nothing extra. You're going to need some coarse salt, a jar, some twine, scissors, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and any embellishments that you want to decorate your jar. Most of these items I found in my yard, and a candle. Get started by assembling the decor for your jar. So I cut some berries and some leaves, and I tied it together with some twine. Once you're done tying your greenery, put that to the side. And now it's time to frost the mason jar. Start out by painting a thin layer of Mod Podge all around the rim of the mason jar. Once you've finished applying a thin layer around the rim of the jar, here comes the fun part. Apply a generous amount of coarse salt all around the rim. As you apply the salt, if there are any areas that have less, feel free to apply a little more Mod Podge and apply more salt. Once the rim is dry, it's time to apply the greenery to the jar. Start with cutting some twine and wrap it around the jar to create a bow. And as you tie the bow, tie in the greenery piece that you already created. Now I want to add some snow to the greenery piece that I just tied to the jar. So I'm going to add some Mod Podge to the tips of the leaves and onto the berry and some onto the twine. And then I'm going to apply some coarse salt over the Mod Podge. Lastly, you're going to fill your jar with some more salt to give the illusion of snow inside the jar, and then you will apply your candle and you're finished. Now you know our secret and go-to for artificial snow. We hope you had as much fun with this project as we did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more tutorials from Simply Made Local. Happy holidays!